Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional letterhead in MSWORD in just 7 minutes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon that you see in my below the video. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to insert tab and then insert a shape. Yeah, this one shape you have to insert. Now adjust its corners like this. You have to make it narrower and now place it like this. Now insert another shape and rotate it. Now narrow it and place it below the first shape. You have to adjust it like this. Now paste it and adjust it below the second shape and rotate it a little bit so that it will look like a triangle. Yep. Again paste it the third time and now you have to adjust all of them. Now go to shapes and again you have to insert a triangle. You have to rotate it like this and then place it next to the first shape that you have inserted in the page like this. Again go to shapes and choose a rectangle which have uh I mean smooth like corners. Yeah, smooth like corners. So you have to adjust it on the left top corner of the page. Insert another shape, but this time it have to be aligned. You can increase its size from the shape format and you have to adjust it next to the first shape you had inserted. Again select it and then paste it 5 times on the page and then insert another triangle and you have to change its shape like this and then insert it on the both of the bottoms and then insert a rectangle and you have to adjust it like this and adjust all the shapes like I have done. Again insert the first shape that you have inserted already and this is going to be our logo and then we have to insert another shape in it. You can also change its color from shape format. So I have chosen a dark green and a light green color. Now I'm adding a text box in it and I'm going to add the text in it. Now select it and change its color and font and size so that it may look clearer. Add the company name and your tagline or slogan text. Now adjust it next to the logo. Now go and insert another text box and a shape and change its color like this. And again, you have to um, paste the icon. And as you can see, I have pasted a telephone icon and a location icon. And next to it, I'm going to insert a text box. And I'm going to add text in it and change its font, its color, and bold it. Are the details that you are going to add. Also, you have to paste the first shape you had inserted right like here. Adjust it next to the company name and the that I have already inserted. Now change its color. Again, insert the text box. Yep, like this. And again, I'm telling you that you have to change its font and color and size. Again, I'm inserting another text box right on the left top of the page and I'm going to add text. I'm going to change its color and font and size. Yeah, so everything is done now. So now we have to adjust all the shapes and change their colors. So the first shape, I'm going to change this color to purple, and these lines, I'm going to change their color to red, and these triangles that I changed shape of, I'm going to select them and then change the color to orange, and the rectangle, I'm going to change this color to purple. And I have added the text in it. This is going to be the content of your letterhead. Now comes the turn to insert the signature, and so I have inserted the signature and the name, and the remaining shapes, I'm going to select them and change their color as well. Now in the insert tab, go to shapes and insert this shape. It's a rectangle. Now make it narrower and change its color to orange or gray. You can change its color to according to your preference. As you see, I have changed its color to light gray. So this is the final result of my letterhead. Yeah, this is the final result. Thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and also click on the bell icon.